who. That's right, Bonnie and Eppie. Are you sitting comfortably? Then let's begin.
Oh, hello, it's Greg, and I'm here in the Adventure Attic today. And I've just been chatting with Brahms the Robin. He's been chatting and telling me all about the fact that he's been building a nest. And it reminded me when I was younger, I used to love building nests. I used to like finding cushions and fabrics and making little dens, normally under tables. Have you ever made a little nest to go and play in? You have? Yeah, they're really cool. And if you haven't, why not give it a go? It's really good fun. Especially if you take a book in there, and if you do it at night time, you can take a torch in, and that's really cool. Anyway, Brahms was telling me today that apparently something was going to appear, and it did. Look, the magic mustard tin, which can only mean that Thimble, the Christmas mouse, has been. And look, she's left the number 3 on it today. I wonder what's inside. Well, do you know, today, to open up the magic mustard tin, we're going to need the passcode. And it's a missing number passcode. I'm going to count up to 10, but I'm going to miss a number out. See if you can spot which number I miss out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which number did I miss out? Yeah, that's right. 5. Let's see if it opens up the magic mustard tin. Ready? Oh, yeah, it did. Right, I wonder what's inside today. Oh, wow, look. Yes, I can't believe it, look. A memory message. Let's see if we can read that together. K-l-u-n-k. Clunk. Clunk. Clunk is a sound that's made when something heavy falls on the floor. A little bit like if you had a really big box of stones and you dropped it, it would land with a clunk sound. Feathers don't clunk when they land. Things can be clunky, especially if they are difficult to do. So when we're learning a new skill, often we can be a bit clunky. But you know what? Being clunky is all part of learning something. We can't be good at things straight away. Can you think of a time when you've been clunky? Yeah, I definitely can. And I'll let you into a secret. Adults are clunky just as much as children. Now, let's see what else we've got. Oh, hang on a minute. Oh, look. Yes. Thimble has left us this. A pot of tiny shells. Hey, I wonder where she found those. Where do you normally find shells? That's right, on a beach, but these are really little, can you see? I wonder how many shells there are inside there. How many do you think? There's probably about 100, I think, in there. Let's see if we can shake it and listen to the sound it makes. Ready? Oh, yes, what a cool sound. It rattles, doesn't it? Quite like that. Oh, that's really cool. It's reminded me that when the summer comes again, I definitely want to go to the beach on a holiday. Do you like going to the beach on holiday? Yeah, you do? I definitely like going there. Let's see what else we've got. Oh, hang on. Yes, some story dreaming. Right, so she's left a message and it says this. Blue dog on a carrot. Right, okay, so blue dog. Can you picture a blue dog in your head? Can you think of one? Yeah, can you see a dog? And it's blue, but it's sitting on a carrot. Now, mine isn't sitting on a tiny carrot. Mine is sitting on a big carrot. In fact, it's an enormous one. Now, my blue dog's quite happy, but what he doesn't know is that there is a giant rabbit stood right behind him who wants to eat that enormous carrot. So I wonder, as soon as my blue dog realises, I wonder where my blue dog is going to hide. Where would your blue dog hide? That's something to think about, isn't it? Let's see what else we've got. Oh, yes, look! From Tiny Tales in Tiny Town. Look! A toothbrush. So Thimble has left a magic message for a story character. In fact, left it for 2 story characters today. It's for Hansel and Gretel. But I wonder why they need a toothbrush. That's something to think about too, isn't it? Let's see what else we've got. Oh, yes, the last magic message. Let's have a look. Look at this. Yes! She's left us a secret sound today. Can you see that? It's the sound ooh. And do you know what? I know exactly who she's left this for. She's left it for the Moonpins. She wants me to go and hide it in their moon train. Their moon train is what they use to get around on the surface of the moon. And I know that Thimble wants to remind them about the joy of being together and all those adventures that are waiting in the new year. So I am definitely going to go and hide it in their train right now. I wonder whether you could go and hide a magic message for the Moonpins somewhere. And I wonder what your message will say. See you tomorrow, and hopefully we'll be on number 4. See you later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.